Do you feel nervous when you try to speak English? Maybe your heart beats fast and you forget all your words?
Or maybe you know the words, but when someone talks to you, everything just disappears.
Yes, that feeling. We know it.
This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Podcast.
Hi, we are so happy you are here today.
Today's topic is really important, especially if you are a beginner.
Yes, today we talk about how to speak English with confidence.
Confidence means you feel good. You feel strong. You are not scared.
Right, not perfect, just confident.
And that is what we want for you today.
Let's go.
So, Mike, why is confidence so important when speaking English?
Good question. You know, many people study English for years. They know grammar, they know vocabulary.
But they still don't speak.
Exactly. Why? Because they are afraid of mistakes.
Yes, they think, what if I say the wrong word?
Or, what if people laugh at me?
But here's the truth. People don't laugh. People are kind.
And mistakes? Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are how we learn.
Even we make mistakes sometimes, right, Mike?
Oh, all the time, and that is okay.
So today, we help you feel more confident, step by step. Okay, let's practice. Let's start with a simple situation. You meet someone new.
Yes, very common, very important. Let's try.
Hi, my name is Sarah. What is your name?
Hi, Sarah. My name is Mike. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mike.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from the UK. Cool, right?
Yes, so simple, so easy, but very useful.
Let's try again. This time, a little different.
Hello, I'm Sarah. And you are?
Oh, hi, I'm Mike. Sorry, I was a little nervous.
No problem. It happens to everyone.
See? Even in the script, we put nervous because it's normal.
Real life is not perfect, and that is okay. Okay, let's look at some easy phrases you can use anytime.
First one, when you don't understand something, you can say,
Sorry, can you say that again?
yes, very polite, very natural.
Or you can say, Sorry, I don't understand. Can you speak slowly, please?
People will always help you, always.
Another one, when you want to agree with someone, you can say,
Yes, I think so too.
or just right, or exactly.
Short words, powerful words.
And when you're not sure, you can say, I think, and then say your idea.
That little word, I think, it gives you time. It helps you.
It makes you sound natural, too. Real people say, I think, all the time.
All the time.
Now, let's talk about different situations, not just meeting people.
Yes. What about at a coffee shop? Very common.
Okay, let's try.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want one coffee, a small one.
Sure. Anything else?
No, thank you. How much is it?
It's $3.
Here you go. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
See? Short sentences, simple words. You can do it.
What about asking for directions? Also very important.
Go one. Let's try.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Oh, it's just down the street. Turn left, then you will see it.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day.
Perfect. Now, what is your opinion, Mike? What is the hardest part for beginners?
For me, I think starting. The first word, that is the hardest.
Yes, once you start, it gets easier.
Just open your mouth. Say something. Anything.
Even hi is enough to start a conversation.
True. One small word can open a big door.
Okay, now it is your turn. We will say a sentence, you say it too, out loud. Yes, out loud.
Ready? Here we go.
Hi, my name is, and say your name.
Good. Now this one.
Nice to meet you.
Say it again. Nice to meet you.
Beautiful. Now this one.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Very good. One more.
I think English is fun.
Ha, we hope so.
Say all of these every day. In the mirror, in the shower, anywhere.
Your mouth needs practice, like exercise for your body.
The more you practice, the more confident you feel.
And confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. Now we have a question for you.
Yes, we love your comments. They make us so happy.
Today's question is this. Write in the comments, "My name is," and tell us where you are from.
For example, my name is Sarah. I am from Brazil.
Or, "My name is Ahmed. I am from Egypt."
Simple, easy, and we will read your comments.
We really do read them. We love meeting our listeners from around the world.
So don't be shy. Write something. Practice your English right there in the comments.
Okay, everyone, we are almost at the end.
But before we go, we want to say something important.
You are doing great. Really.
Learning English is not easy, but you are here. You are trying. That is already amazing.
Every day, a little bit. That is all you need.
Don't wait to be perfect. Start now. Start today.
Speak, make mistakes, learn, and speak again.
That is the secret. That is confidence.
Thank you so much for watching Easy English Podcast today.
If this helped you, please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss our next one.
We have something really good coming. You won't want to miss it.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking, keep growing. You've got this.